I'm just taking a break from the ES community. I will no longer be affiliated with it because of drama and pedophiles. So, yeah, eventually, next year, of January 1st, 2025, I will be back in it. I'll just be taking a month-long break. A month and a half long break, kinda. I don't know. So, like a month and a week, basically. I don't know. Alright, well, yeah, that's really it.